Good day, my people. Here we are in beautiful nature. There's nothing better than nature. So, I hope you all doing well. Another beautiful day here in Paradise Waterfall. Now, I've heard people pronounce that differently. So at some point in time, I am hopefully going to ask a local who can speak a bit English to make the proper translation, because I want to make sure that I say it properly. That being said, it's a beautiful day. I thought we would come to visit waterfalls. I want to visit 2 waterfalls today. We'll see what happens. And the first one being Paradise Waterfall. It was the most talked about one on the internet that I seen, or that I did research, and it was probably the most famous among tourists. So we're gonna see. And I think I'm at the end of the rainy season, so it has still been raining every now and then. Good rain coming down. So I'm hoping that the waterfall is not too dried up and that we are able to enjoy a good view. But check this out, right? Absolutely amazing. So this might be some of the waterfall. Might be. And coming up this trail, there's a dog. Thank God it's behind a fence, but it would eat you in seconds, like a piranha. Anyways, moving on. So I was going to hike this hill, but that's not happening, so I just bought the bike. So let's continue and get to the waterfall. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I think we gotta walk from here. Okay, so this is where we hike. And we go up here apparently. Let's see what happens. Waterfall. Look at that, another puppy dog. Swaddy Cub. No, I don't need water.
Okay.
Entry 30?
30 baht.
Okay. Okay. So, free water. Pretty cool. 30 baht to enter. I got him. I'll put the doggy on camera. You can't swim. Well, that's nice to know. I can rent these rubber tires. 20 baht. Oh, how beautiful is this, right? Let me zoom it out. You can see it better. There we go. Must have to walk up there, but let's just take in this. Pad Thai, sandwiches, fried rice, seafood, tuna, chicken, pork, seafood, all the goods. Shake fruits, 40 baht. It's not bad. Just sit back, relax, enjoy. Look at that. I think these go up like levels. So the higher levels will have the most water. Okay, let's get walking up. Big roots. You tell these trees have been around for probably like thousands of years. Get some good old cardio in. Nice. I think this is the way you come. Oh, it's somebody down there. Looks soothing. Oh, okay, you just go right down that way. Oakley dokley. Oh, going the wrong way. It's kind of a hike. I really don't have the proper shoes on, but they will work. Where am I? I'm getting there. You kind of walk along it. There's not a lot of water falling, but it's pretty cool. Let's get out there. Okay, so I just want to say that it would be beautiful in its season, the rainy season. I mean, it's beautiful now, but it would be more beautiful. And I tried to keep going up further, but for some reason there doesn't seem to be a path. Unless it's on that side somewhere. But yeah, in its peak of the season, you can visualize a much more bigger flow, faster. And you can climb rope down there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I just want to say that, as you can see, this Paradise Waterfall, and from my research, is one of the biggest ones here in Ko Phg Ngan. I'm going to get that correct. It's pretty dry, so to go and visit another waterfall, I don't think will do it justice. You won't see the majestic performance in its more natural rainy season state. So I looked on Maps.me, and there's a town over, which I got to get the name of the town, and they have a viewpoint. So maybe we will go up on the viewpoint and overlook this town, which is on a beach. So yeah, let's go there. So I just went and asked the man at the front desk, and it's called Chaloklum Beach. Chaloklum Beach. I probably butchered that, but anyways, let's go. Look at that view. I would describe that as majestic. Absolutely breathtaking. Maybe the viewpoint we're going to is somewhere up one of these mountains. Plenty of bikes over there. Okay, let's go forward. Had to stop for this one. How pretty is that with all the colors? I wonder what the name of this river is. I'm always so unprepared and don't do my research because I just go out and drive around. But, oh, well, we can't read that because that's not in the language I understand. Oh, boat underwater. I wonder if I can claim it. I think at this point it should stay in its burial ground. How beautiful, right? Well, let's continue the journey that way. Viewpoint, so I'm going in the right direction. Tropical paradise. We're not even to the viewpoint. And check that view. How beautiful is that? I think that island over there might be Ko Phg. I don't know. Let me zoom it in. Oh, zoom out. Zoom in. Beautiful, right? And we're getting to the viewpoint. So, apparently, we just leave our bike there and we have a 5 or 10 minute hike. I'm gonna say hike. They said walk. So, let's see. From here, the road become worse. You can park and walk for 10 minutes or drive another minute or two. I think I'll walk. And we'll see. And when I get to a viewpoint, when they tell me about a viewpoint and I go downhill instead of up, it's correct. I always get suspicious. Look at the pretty butterflies. Now I just hope. Whew, it's a little slippery because of the fine dirt. This is a joke, right? This can't be a... Oh, you go down and you go up, the guy said. Okay. We'll do that. I just hope there's no monkeys around. God. How I love nature. And all of its creatures. Yeah, we do go down. I actually could take a bike through here. It'd be a little difficult to find sand. You might slip going down. Doesn't look steep on camera, but yeah, it's pretty steep. Okay, this is the down part. There must be a up part. And there's the up part. So it would actually be good on a dirt bike. I'm going to say it's that way. And not that way. I don't know why. It doesn't give you any signs here. So we'll take the chance and hope the viewpoint's up here. So see you at the top. I still haven't made it up to the viewpoint yet, but having a rest and enjoying this amazing view. Thought I'd share it. Didn't want to be selfish. Still a lot of greenery land left on this island, but yet at the same time there's a little bit of construction going on. Some, I don't know what the percentage of foreigners to locals would be, but definitely foreigners. Pretty cool. And we still got to go up there. Yeah. Apparently, I took the wrong way. Nothing new for me. So I'm trying this path. We'll see what happens. I'm already sweating buckets, but it's good exercise. So I'll see the good in it. So let's go up here. I don't quite think this is the path either. But how nice is this? Cabins. Pretty cool. Probably goes up there further and further. So, there's only one more road to take. Oh, look at that view. That works. Amazing, right? You could take a dirt bike up here. It would be a good adventure. Not so sure about a moped. But anyways, let's go down this one. I think it's a possibility that I have taken the right road this time. It's looking like oh boy, we're going downhill again. Well, I'll tell you what, viewpoint. I just can't find you for some reason. And that goes all the way down. So I don't know if that's the one or not. But what an amazing time in nature. Got no complaints. Let's look on maps and see if we can get this viewpoint location. So we are now at Chaloklum Beach. I think I said that properly. Which is amazing. Small little town, mom and pop stores is what they remind me of. And there's a ship out there. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if it's fishing, tourist, or private. Look at the mountains in the background. Absolutely stunning. But a small town, mom and pop stores, like I said, is what they remind me of. And good food. I've already eaten here as well. And can you believe, ever since I've been here on this island, I have not gone in the water. And I'm sitting here looking at it and thinking, at least 3 times a week I should be in this water. It's amazing. And it's hot. And it's gorgeous. Beautiful. And by the way, you can buy some goodies at the store if you're interested. What are goodies? Only certain people like goodies. You usually smoke it. You can't eat it. The choice is yours. How beautiful. Boat taxis. Did we mention the boat taxis? I guess they must take you from here and over that way, I would say. Or maybe out that way. I don't know, pretty cool. I never seen a motor like that before. That's pretty cool. Just hanging around the beach, enjoying life, living out of fear. So I hate to say this, but I checked the weed out over there and it's not good. It's very bad quality weed. It looks like it's all brown. It looks like all the good nutrition has been taken out of it and they're trying to sell you the leftovers. I've seen that before here in Asia. Just saying, in the same little town, on the same beautiful beach. But I don't know why anybody would want to rip their customers off to the point where they would not want to come back and buy any more, to give yourself a bad name, to put yourself out of business. I don't know. Those are just my thoughts. More amazing views. We was over that way. Right there in the boats. Absolutely amazing, right? Peaceful, quiet, slow pace. Lots of beauty. Mountains. Such a cool little town. Amazing. What an amazing view, right? Wake up and saw that every morning, or see it every day. All that greenery, nice green, giving us all this oxygen. You see, we visited the waterfall today because it had been rainy nights like this, and that's why I thought that the waterfall would be more than it was. And we've had a few of these rainy nights like so. But that wasn't the case, but I do want to say I did enjoy my day. I enjoyed the hike up to the waterfall. I sat there for a while. It was nice and peaceful. I'm back at my place of stay right now. But it was nice and peaceful, and even though it wasn't the grand flow that we were hoping for, it was still beautiful. And as far as going to the viewpoint, the look-off viewpoint, yeah, they called it the viewpoint. As far as going to the viewpoint and not finding it, I wouldn't say it was a failure. I would say it was an adventure. Again, I enjoyed that as well. It's been a while since I've hiked like that, so my lung capacity is not the best, and I still have a little bit of a chest cold. Slowly going away. But, yeah, it was a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a comment below and give me a thumbs up. And we will see you in the next one.